Moving from the national grid to solar energy in a move aimed at cutting down high electricity costs and promoting clean, sustainable energy. Kiambu Town Member of Parliament Mashua Waidaka says the shift will ease the financial burden on schools and allow them to focus available resources on improving infrastructure and other needs of the school in the region. Tinganga High School Principal Alice Mushiri praised the move, saying it will greatly reduce pressure on teachers and parents who have been struggling to cover power expenses.
We intend to do that in all the day schools and the secondary schools in Kiambu sub-county or Kiambu constituency. And this is the very beginning. Next week we are going to Dumberi Primary. We do Dumberi Primary, Dumberi Secondary, and we also do the church, SCK Church. We're also going to go to Riabai. We do the primary school, secondary school, and also the church.
Shule zetu ndizo za kwanza kuwa na mwangaza wa sola Kiambu constituency. Si mheshimiwa amefanya vizuri?